When I joined HTM last year, my revenues from this year, from like a month by month comparison last year to this year, it's been 50%, 60% increase every single month. I just had my biggest month last month. The revenue was at 30,000. That's the most I've ever made in one month. So to make that in 1 month when I made less than that in 1 year was definitely like, wow, like this is really something. And it's really, to me, it's kind of like I now expect to have those type of numbers.
So before HTM, it was our first year of practice, and it's 2 attorneys. So between the 2 of us working in the firm and on the firm, we made about 60,000 before HTM. That second year, we made about 150,000. For this year, we're on track to bring in about 220. So we have had like a lot of growth.
And I would always tell myself the story of like, you'll always be a $10,000 a month lawyer, always. I've set a goal twice now. One of the months, I think it was actually this June, to do 25,000. And I had never done 25,000 before, ever. And I just remember being like, you know what, like this month is the month. And even though there was the pandemic and all of that, I just put that out of my mind. And I was able to achieve that goal of $25,000. And then I gave my staff a bonus for, helping me achieve that goal. So that was really, really nice.
We've seen a change in the revenue. We got through the pandemic just fine because of all the leadership that we received from Arjan and the rest of the team. Because of that, I think we were able to weather the storm a lot better than others. We actually felt as we went through the pandemic that this wasn't going to be the end. This was just going to be the beginning for us. I'd say our revenue is definitely up.
If I was ready to close shop, after doing the program, obviously, over a year later, I am still in business. I'm growing. Last month was the best month I ever had. So, okay, last year I did 146,000. This year I'm on my way to over 400. If you really want to grow the firm and you want to have it as a business, as opposed to just you being an attorney who has a business and a practice, do HTM. There's nothing better. I've seen other coaching programs, and this is by far the most comprehensive. It has the most support, and it really does make a huge difference in a very short amount of time.